This lecture covers JavaScript ForEach method. JavaScript ForEach method calls a function once for each element in an array in order. Syntax: array.forEach. You can call function or value. Example of code with ForEach method you can see. Basically, we have object and we're looping through this object, calling function which prints our items, which is USA, Canada and Mexico. Let's move to terminal, and in our terminal create file with ForEach file name .js JavaScript file. Let's open this file. Okay, we opened it. Now I declare object which has properties or values. Now I'm going to use ForEach method, which I need to specify object for which I want to use ForEach method. I need to say for each data, which means for each element, and I need to use equal greater sign for starting looping. Now I need to open curly brackets, and in our case I wanna print each element, which is data. Now I need to save this file, try to run it, and as you see I got result BMW over Audi, which is very similar result that we saw during loops lecture. What is advantage of using this ForEach compared to for loop? That you do not need specify 3 conditions. You will loop through test data object. You will take each and every element which you have in your test data object. Now I will show how we can write a code to call function instead of element. As example, let's define same array. I need to create function with my function name, and for this function I wanna as parameter pass item. Let's open curve brackets and do same as we did in previous example. Just print each and every item. Let me comment out this piece of code. But we need to call this function in ForEach loop. Yes, this is purpose of this lecture. We need to specify a function name as parameter. Okay, let's save this file and try to execute this piece of code. And we got exact same result: BMW, Volvo, and Audi. And as we see here, we can call object properties of object directly, or we can create some function in ForEach loop which perform some actions for us.